Welcome to Procore Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be discussing drawing comparisons, a reasonably well-known feature with additional functionality that many are not aware of. Firstly, for those who haven't seen it before, in Procore's Drawings tool you can overlay the previous revisions of a current drawing to the current version. Procore will overlay these drawings, identifying additions in blue and subtractions in red. This can be done for the previous version or historical versions of that drawing. Small point to keep in mind, if you have a number of versions of a particular drawing and you move around the sliders, you are changing the historical information of that drawing, so please be sure to reset that after you've done your drawing comparisons. So an additional feature that many aren't aware of is through the drawing sets functionality. You can bulk overlay drawings, so not just one, but a whole set of drawings overlaid onto another set. This will allow you to actually generate an entire view of the changes of a drawing, say from tender set to issued for construction, or potentially a large change during the project. Procore will email you the set overlays in PDF format, and you can download them and see the entire changes across an entire set. Again, blue for additions and red for subtractions, which is super useful on projects.